Begitu nanti di save as ke PDF, nanti tidak akan tercetak ya dokumen atau gambar yang melebihi dari area tersebut. Nah, ini ada dua page 1, page 2 ya. Ini yang page 2. Caranya klik file, save as. Nah, dikasih nama filenya, ini kita tipe file PDF, atau juga bisa diklik file export, pilih PDF. Dikasih nama, mau ditempatkan di mana nanti terserah Anda guys. Export. Nah, ini ada pilihan current, berarti page berapa tadi yang aktif ya. Tadi page 2. Nanti berarti yang tersimpan.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Ini untuk pilihan kertas ya. Ukuran kertas terserah Anda guys. Nah, ini untuk persen ya, mau diperbesar atau diperkecil. Ya, demikian tadi tutorial yang dapat saya share ke Anda. Sekian, terima kasih, sampai jumpa.